TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got a mixed bag out there. You've got the Dow trade up 120 points, S&P about 11, NASDAQ is up 35. The Russell's off about 3 points, 2 points actually. Semiconductors are down 26, 1.4%. And you got the New York Stock Exchange, Wilshire Transports, and the NASDAQ Composite all trading higher out there. Let's get a feel for what's going on. Let's take a look at the Dow. Start off with it. We know that Monday's big down day, or we should know. Well, first of all, the Dow itself has got a nice topping pattern out here. It's got wave number 7. That's letter G on my screen. That's a topping signal. Now, whenever a market forms a top, the first rule is that sellers are going to try to go bust out support. Well, turns out that inside the Dow, they actually did that on Monday. 28,789.10 was a breakout area. That was the last time that we saw what I refer to as a TD9 count, and the low of that becomes your breakout area. Now, what happened yesterday inside the Dow was price tested and rejected that level, 28,789. Right now, we're trading above it. The Dow closes above 28,789.10 today. In essence, to steal some vernacular, it's back inside the range, so to speak. Now, the range here, which suggests that the Dow could bounce all the way up to 29,119. That's what I refer to as Stevie's green line, the oscillator and change line, and that is your resistance level. Inside the NDX 100 out here, let's go take a look at it. The only reason I'm not covering the S&P is we did that during my show, which was during the last hour out there, so would like to provide new information. Here we can take a look at the NDX 100, also having wave number 7, but this is so strong, price never got back to support. On the cash indice, that would be 87.13. Nonetheless, resistance here, 9,200 and a bit of change out there. If we go take a look at the Russell 2000, daily chart's got a nice Rhodes momentum indicator top, another topping signal. And what price has done, it's moved down towards support. The actual breakout support, 1620.90 out there. Can the Russell bounce? Yeah, and where it could bounce to would be 1680.70 or so, Stevie's green line number. So even though we had a nice move lower on Monday out here, if you just take a look at this chart, you guys should be able to do this at home. Just look at these trend lines. Trend lines here. Price is back inside the trend, inside the Dow, inside the ES. Never got even outside the trend, inside the NQ. Hey, folks, have a wonderful Wednesday. Stay tuned. You got David White from 2 to 3, Tom O'Brien from 3 to 4. And tune in tomorrow at 1 o'clock for my show live, Traders Edge. Have a wonderful Wednesday.